Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to do the glitch effect like this one in DaVinci Resolve. We're going to do this the old school way. We're going to go inside DaVinci Resolve and manually do this effect, and without any plugins or presets. And let's get to it. Right guys, so right here I have two footage, and let's say I want to transition from this one to this footage right here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to zoom in until that we can see individual frame. That's look pretty good. And then what we want to do is we want to cut them up into, what I found is 12 frames in between, so 6 for each. So right here is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right about there. We can, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6. What we're gonna do is that we want to remove this one right here. We want to do the same for each side. Just backspace 1 2, and then we can remove this. It's up to you. For me, I found out that three blank spaces, like these 3 blank spaces, are best suitable for this kind of effect. Like just like this flash 3 times is just like enough, and right now it looks pretty good already. Like this is what you can kind of see right here. I want to highlight all these frames, hit Alt and copy them all here, so we can see that they're all right here. And then the first frame, we can just kind of bring down the opacity down to 50, and then change the position just a little bit. I think there is good. And then for the second one, we can do about the same, opacity down, and then change this one a little bit, and then right here. And for the next one, we can change the opacity down, and then we're gonna go to the color page. We're gonna bump up the red. Sorry. There's my color grades right here. I'm gonna bump up the red right here, somewhere like this. It is good. Bring the opacity down. What about there? And also fold this one and do the same. Create a new node and have a blue channel. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. Right here, I'm gonna copy the effect to this one. And kind of match it a little bit. And then for this one, we can just go to the color page, and then we want to invert this, and then just paste them right here. And that's about it. It looks pretty good already. And then next we're going to add some sound effects to it. And this one's good. Drop it right here and just let's play it back. All right, start here. All right, now you got your transition. All right guys, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.